Welcome. If you've been trying to find your repost activity on Instagram using your PC and notice things look a little different after the latest update, you're not alone. The layout has changed slightly, but the feature is still there. You just need to know where to look. Let's walk through it step by step so you can quickly access all the posts you've reposted. First, go ahead and open the Instagram app on your PC. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the main screen, take a moment to look at the lower left side of the interface. That's where you'll find a small menu icon with 3 horizontal lines. Click on those 3 lines. This will open up a side menu with several options related to your account and settings. From here, look for the option labeled Your Activity and click on it. This section is where Instagram keeps track of everything you've done on the platform, from likes to comments and more. Once you're inside your activity, you'll see different categories. Find and select interactions. This area groups together all the ways you've engaged with content on Instagram. Now, within interactions, you should see an option called Reposts. Click on that and you'll be taken directly to a list of all the posts you've reposted. It's that simple. This feature is especially useful if you want to revisit something you shared earlier or keep track of the content you've been engaging with. With the new update, things might feel slightly rearranged, but once you know the path, it becomes very easy to access. That's all there is to it. You're now ready to find your repost activity anytime you need it.